So I just got my new Comet CAA 500 Mark II antenna analyzer in, and wanted to share a quick video, show everybody how it worked. Um, this antenna analyzer covers, as you can see from right here, 1.8 to 500 megahertz. It's got two antenna ports. This one here is a SO239. This one over here is actually an N connector. I've just got a N to SO239 adapter on it here. This cable that on the antenna I'm testing today is a Comet SNR, I think it's 24. It's a broadband antenna for commercial or amateur, and this is LMR 400 cable. So on this analyzer, you've got your band select here. If you'll notice here in the blue, the ham bands are highlighted by the little blue notches. So I want to do an antenna sweep first into 144 megahertz. Now the analyzer itself runs on 6 AA batteries. You also have the ability to charge. There's a plug-in over here if you went with rechargeable batteries to a 12-volt source. The nice thing that I liked about this analyzer was that it had the LCD display, which is going to come in handy in a minute, and I'll show you why. And also you had the twin needles for the ohms and the SWR. So you can do automatic sweeps, and as you can tell, as I tune this, I can manually tune using this frequency button. And you'll notice that the SWR here keeps changing as I tune the different frequencies, as does my ohms meter at the bottom. So let's do an automatic sweep, and this is really simple. You just hit sweep to the center, and it's going to center sweep the frequencies. Now, as you can tell, it's starting to plot us an SWR map. So we'll let that finish real quick. Okay, so it's plotted across from the center of the ham band there, and you can see that the SWR on this antenna stays well below 1.5, which is what we want to see. Now, once I'm done, since this is a dual band antenna, I want to turn my graph off. It brings me back here. I'll roll it up into a different ham band. So let's say I want to come sweep the 440 area. Okay, so I'm going to sweep it at center again. You can watch the needles and the plot go. Oh, I just realized I messed up one thing there. Since we're up in the higher side, this side up here actually handles 1 through 300 megahertz. And then this side is actually for your 3 to 500. So we actually want to disconnect the antenna from here. Just a second. Okay. And you probably want to be a little bit more careful with your analyzer than what I just done there. Okay, so now I've switched the antenna cable here. I'm back over onto the other side. As you can tell, I'm in the 440 band here, so as you can tell, I can manually sweep, and you see the SWR and stuff change again. But I want to sweep this band, since this is a dual band antenna. So we're going to let it start running. We see the plot coming up here. Now this is going to go both ways. It's centering at 435 megahertz, 435 megahertz. So it looks 15 megahertz one way, 15 megahertz the other way to the either side. And the ham band is right here in the 440. So as you can tell, we're going to be below 1.5, maybe just a shade over, but we're going to be below 2.0. And as you can tell, the SWR needles up here move during the sweep. So let's just run a sweep again so I can actually look up and see what I want to see. And maybe I'm not just wanting to rely on my chart, but I want to actually see it move needles. And it's a handy tool if you're ham, or you could probably use this one in a commercial environment if you're doing some business band radio as well. There's many more features, but I just wanted to do a quick review, like I said, to show everybody what was out there. This is a little bit fancier than your MFJ antenna analyzers, and I picked this up from HRO Ham Radio. It's $388 with free shipping. Normally this is a little bit over $400, close $500 analyzer. So I highly recommend it. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back off. And that completes my review. Thank you for watching.